everyone, Drew England here from Nyland, and today we're going to show you how Nyland supports bulk import of public locations, access point BSSID locations, IP subnets, and switching infrastructure to assign dispatchable locations to network infrastructure devices when integrated via Nyland for UCM. This provides automatic discovery of phones and their location on premises, facilitating automatic address assignment when placing 933 test calls and 911 emergency calls. So as far as use cases go, this feature was created for the following customer use cases. Number one, the bulk import of public locations for use by end users when on premises but network discovery is not possible. Number two, the bulk assignment of locations to wireless access points in environments that have been chosen to integrate CUCM with their wireless infrastructure using the enhanced location feature. Number three, the bulk upload of IP subnets with locations for the discovery of phones via subnet as reported by CUCM to the Nyland agent. And number four, the bulk upload of switch infrastructure, credentials, and a single location to the ports on a switch or stack of switches. And this allows the discovery of phones by their MAC address automatically as reported by the switch to the Nyland agent, and dispatchable location to be assigned as a phone is connected to a switch port. So before you get started, you'll want to take note of the following prerequisites prior to starting a bulk import operation in the Nyland portal. You should be familiar with creating CSV files for bulk import. To ensure initial access with our repeat effort, a sanitized list of addresses will be required. Review and understand how Nyland discovers phones. More detail can be found on this by searching for the keywords phone discovery in the Nyland support portal. And there are additional prerequisites per import type. These can be reviewed in the documentation portal by searching the keywords bulk import. So now you want to retrieve the CSV template file. So first, decide which of the use cases you are solving for and navigate to the appropriate section in the Nyland portal. In this example, we will navigate to Management Systems and Subnets. Once here, note the Actions button in the upper right-hand side of the page. Click on Actions and then Import. You can find the Download Template button at the top of the page. Download this file to your workstation. Once on the import page, be sure to read and understand all the requirements as it relates to the data formats and note which fields are optional versus required. So next we'll import the file, and once you have created an import file, revisit the import page for your use case and upload the CSV file by selecting it or dragging it onto the page where specified. You will be presented with a real-time output of individual records, successes, and failures as well as overall status. Once the import is complete, be sure to download the results file. Reviewing the results file will be important for confirming successes and noting failures. So now we'll do some troubleshooting as it relates to import failures, which are typically related to one of the following. Number one, a geocoding error. This will require you to review the recommendations as provided. If no recommendation was available, investigate the address further using our KB article by searching the keywords validate emergency address. Number two, an authentication error when importing a switch. The credentials you supplied for the SNMP authentication are incorrect. And number three, a communication error. Nyland agent is unable to communicate with the switch via SNMP using the ports specified. When correcting your import file, there is no need to remove previously successful entries. When the updated file is uploaded to the import process in the Nyland portal, any previously successful entries will remain unchanged. If you experience an error other than what is mentioned here or are unable to correct an error, please reach out to Nyland support at support.nyland911.com and open a ticket. Please provide as much detail about your experience as possible, including the following: general time frame when the issue occurred, any supporting screenshots of the errors, and a copy of the CSV file. So with all that in mind, we hope this overview has been informative as to your options when bulk importing items into the Nyland portal. If you have any additional questions, please raise a ticket in the Nyland support portal at support.nyland911.com, and a representative will work to quickly answer your question. Thanks everyone.